Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley. So today we're going to talk about how can you tell if you have bad breath or not. Well, there's a few different things that you can do at home without talking to anybody, without possibly embarrassing yourself like that. There's a way that's very simple. You get your floss, you snap it in between your teeth, and then you can smell it. And if you smell that floss, and if it does have some odor to it, that means you could have bad breath. Also, another thing that you can do, if you think you do have bad breath, you should be scraping your tongue, and this is what a tongue scraper looks like. So also, scrape that tongue, you can smell that as well, and if that smells, then you can actually see if you have bad breath. But if you don't have a tongue scraper, you can even do something like licking the back of your hand and smelling it. And again, if you do get some odor there, then you may have bad breath. But if you do have bad breath, all hope is not lost. We do have a treatment for that, and I definitely recommend giving us a call so we can get you in, we can take care of you, and we can get rid of that for you. Thank you very much.